Good morning student. Today we will discuss chapter 5 exponent and power part 2nd. It means we will discuss the 5th B exercise today. Okay, see here. In 5th B exercise we will do study of laws of exponent. You already studied in your 6th class also what is the laws of exponent. First law, when you have two rational number, suppose I write down x power m into x power n, in which base is same but power is different. First law of exponent is based on when the base is same. This is base and this is power m and n. Here power is different. Then what we will do in this? If base is same and power is different and it is in multiplication, product we are taking, then on the same base we add the power. First law of exponent is when the base is same and powers are different, or in multiplication, then power will be added to the same base. So it means x power m multiply x power n is equal to x power m plus n. For example, suppose I write down 2 power 3 into 2 power 5. Then it is equal to 2 power 3 plus 5, that is 2 power 8. Suppose minus 2 power 7 into minus 2 power 6. See, one thing see properly, if here base minus 2, then here also should be minus 2. Then we can solve it directly. Minus 2 power 7 plus 6 minus 2 power 13. Another example, minus 2 by 5 power 3 multiply by minus 2 by 5 power 7. Then base is same, that is minus 2 by 5 and power will be added, then it becomes minus 2 by 5 power 10. So first law of exponent, when we multiplying the same base but power has different, then we added the power with the same base. Okay, now the next example, see, seven by 3 into 5 into 7 by 3 into 6 into 7 by 3 into 20. It doesn't mean that there is only 2 times we will do multiply. We can base same base with any power we can take in multiplication. Then it becomes 7 by 3 power 5 plus 6 plus 20, that is equal to 7 by 3 power 5 plus 6, 11 plus 20, 31. This is our answer. Okay, now see, check the next exponent, laws of exponent. Power of a power. Suppose x power m power n. Power of a power, then how to solve it? We will do multiply the powers. It becomes x power m. Power of a power with base, same base, then what we will do? We multiply the power of power. Suppose minus 7 power 3 multiply by whole power 2. Take plus 7. 7 power 3 power 2. Then what is the answer? 7, 3 multiply by 2, that is 7 power 6. We write down minus 2 by 3 power 5 power 2. Then it becomes minus 2 by 3 power 5 into 2, that is minus 2 by 3 power 10. This type we will solve it. Another example. Suppose minus 7 power 3 power 2 power 5. In this case also power of a power, it means we will do multiply, that is minus 7 power 3 into 2 into 5 minus 7 power 3 to the 6, 6 5 the 30. Then this is our answer. So whenever we have power to power, then we will do multiply. Doesn't matter it is 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Power of a power, it means we will multiply all the powers. Now see the third one. Third laws of exponent. Suppose base is different but power is same. Here base x and y and power is m on both. Then we can do what? We can do multiply xy and power will be the same m. For example, I write down 2 multiply by 3 power 5. It means we can do multiply this. 6 power 5 is our answer. This is our third law of exponent, when the base different but power same. Or you can write down like this also. X power m multiply by y power m. Suppose 3 power 2 into 2 power 2. Then what we can write down? 3 multiply by 2 power 2 is equal to 6 power 2. So if you solve it, then you got 36. 6 multiplied by 6, that is 36. So this is the third law of exponent. Another examples. Your one question is simplify minus 9x power 4. Expand it. Find out the answer of it or expand it. How to expand? See, it means minus 9 power 4 and x power 4. Minus 9 power 4 and x power 4 also. Then 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 729, 729 9s are 9 9s are 81, 9 2s are 18 or 8, 26, 9 7s are 63 or 2, 65. See here, minus how many times? 4 times. Odd or even? Even times, it means our answer will be positive. Here x how many times? X power 4. Means our answer is 6561 x power 4. This type we will do solve it. Or if we need only expand, then this is our answer. Okay, next see example. Simplify 24 by 11 power 3 multiply by 11 by 8 power 3. Now see this type of question, when the base is different but power is same, then what we will do? We will do reverse it. It means 24 by 11 multiply by 11 by 8 whole power 3. It means you can write this thing into the form of this also. Now solve it. 11 to 11 cancel. 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. Then your answer is 3 power 3, that is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 27. So this type we will do simplify it also. Okay, we take another example. Now see fourth one. How to find out the quotient? Suppose given to you x power m, x power n. Then how to find out the quotient? See, if you see properly, then how many factors are here? M. How many factors are here? N. Now we will get m minus n factor. See, x power m, in division we will do subtract of the power. Denominator power will be subtracted from numerator power. Then it becomes x power m upon x power n is equal to x power m minus n. You can say like this, suppose x power 5 or 2 power 5 upon 2 power 3. According to this formula we get 2 power 2. Yes or no? Now check it. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 cancel, then it becomes 2 power 2 or no? It means here total 5 factors, here 3 factor, then here we get 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 factor. So this type we find out the quotient. So here formula becomes, or we can say laws of exponent become x power m upon x power n is equal to x power m minus n. We can take the cases here. If m is equal to n, then obviously m minus m is equal to 0. It means x power m upon x power m, then it is always equal to 1. Second case, if m greater than n, then it is equal to x power m minus n. If m less than n, then what we will do? We will do like this, 1 upon x power n minus m. Then we take this power downside. Example take, suppose I write down 2 power 3 upon 2 power 5. Then it becomes 1 upon 2 power 5 minus 3. 1 upon 2 power 2 is equal to 1 upon 4. You can solve it also. 2 power 3, it means 2 multiplied by 2. 5 times 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Cancel it. Then you got downside 2 power 2. It becomes 1 by 4. So this type we will solve laws of exponent. One more, fifth one. Any power 0 is always equal to 1. But it should be greater than, it should not be equal to 0. Any power 0 is equal to 1. Suppose here 5 power 0 is equal to 1, minus 7 power 0 is equal to 1, minus 3 by 5 power 0 is equal to 1. Any power 0 is equal to 1, but we never take 0 power 0 because it is not defined in our mathematics. So here a does not equals to 0. This condition should be satisfied here. So these laws of exponent we will study in our exercise 5th B. We will solve our question according to these laws of exponent. First law of exponent, when base is same but power is different, then power will be added. Power to power, then power will be multiplied. Base are different but power will be same. it means we can multiply the base with the same power. Quotient we want to find out, then it depends on the condition. If m is equal to n, then it is equal to always 1. M greater than n, then it becomes x power m minus n. M less than n, then it becomes 1 upon x power n minus m. Fifth one, any power 0 is equal to 1. Now take question. Suppose it is given to you minus 5 by 4 power 9 multiply minus 5 by 4 power 12 multiply minus 5 by 4 power 2. Then what will be the answer? Base are same but power different. It means base we take here and all the power will be added. Then our answer is minus 5 by 4, 9 plus 12, 21 plus 2, 23. Then our answer is 23. Next question we take single exponent. It is given to you minus 1 by 3 power 4 power 2 multiply minus 1 by 3 power 3 power 3. Your question is that change express it into as a single exponent. Means हमें single exponent में उसको express करना है. Firstly see which law of exponent apply? Power to power. Power to power means multiply, then it becomes minus 1 by 3 power 4 into 2. Here multiplication. Solve it also, minus 1 by 3 power 3 into 3. Next, minus 1 by 3. 4 2 is 8 multiply minus 1 by 3. 3 3 is 9. Now we apply here the first law of exponent. Base is same in multiplication but powers are different. Then solve it, minus 1 by 3 power 8 plus 9. Answer is minus 1 by 3 power 17. So this type we will follow the laws of exponent in our given question. Any other example? Your question is simplify three power 5 into 10 power 5 multiply 25 5 power 7 multiply 6 power 5. Now see how to solve these type of question. 3 power 5 into, try to change into the prime power of prime factors. So 10, if I write down 10 then it becomes 2 multiplied by 5. Yes or no? Prime factors of 10 is equal to this. Then 2 into 5 power 5. 5 into 5. 5 is already a prime number. 6, 2 into 3 power 5. We can write down. Now see, 3 power 5 into, separate 2. We can write down, that is 2 power 5 into 5 power 5 into 5 power 2. Divide by 5 power 7 into 2 power 5 into 3 power 5. Now see, different base, but this is same base. Then write down 3 power 5 into 2 power 5 into 5 power will be added 5 plus 2. Here all are the different base. Now see, 3 power 5 into 2 power 5 into 5 power 7 upon 5 power 7 into 2 power 5 into 3 power 5. Now 3 power 5 into 2 power 5 into 5 power 7, rearrange it. 3 power 5 into 2 power 5 into 5 power 7. If you know directly, if you can see that it is equal, then you can cut it and answer will be 1. Or if you want to do by exponent, then see 3. Here how to find out the quotient? Power will be subtracted, and already we will say that when m is equal to n, there is equal to 1. Multiply, here also 1, multiply by 1, then our answer is equal to 1. This type we will do simplify. Or if you take, if you solve it, 3 power, this will go take upper side, 2 power 5 minus 5, 5 power 7 minus 7. Then also you will get the same result, because any power 0 is always equal to 1. Then 3 power 0 is equal to 1, 2 power 0 is equal to 1, 5 power 0 is equal to 1. Then any power 0 is equal to 1. Then 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 1 is equal to 1. This type we will do simplify these type of question. Another example, see. Twelve power 4 multiply by 9 power 3 multiply 4 divide by 6 power 3 into 8 power 2 multiply by 27. See here, 12. Can we find out the prime factor of 12? If you do 12 is equal to 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 12, then it means it is 2 power 2 into 3. Yes or no? Then write down this 2 power 2 into 3, but 12 power how many? 4. Multiply 9, we can write down 3 power 2 power 3. 4, 2 to the 4, 2 power 2 upon 6, 2 3 is 6 power 8, 2 power 3 power 2 multiply 27, 3 power 3. Now see, there is a power of only prime numbers, then we can solve easily. Here firstly solve 2 power 2 into 3 power 4. It is same like this, that you can separate 2 power 4 into 3 power 4. Power to power multiply, then it becomes like this. Then put here 2 power 8 multiply by 3 power 4. Again power to power, 2 3 is 6, 3 power 6, 2 power 2 divide by, again like this solve, 2 power 3 multiply 3 power 3 multiply 2 power to power multiply 3 power 3. Now see, there are the base 2 or 3 only. So upside see, same base power will be added. Same base power will be added. Here also same base, and here also 3 plus 3. It become 2 power 10 multiply 3 power 10 divide by 2 power 9 plus 3 power 6. Now do solve. Here m greater than n, it means 2 power 10 minus 9, 3 power 10 minus 6, 2 power 1 multiply 3 power 4. 2 power 1 is equal to 2, multiply 3 power 4, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81, and your answer is 162. This type we will solve these type of question using laws of exponent. Okay, student, I already told that any power 0 we always take is equal to 1. These type of question that find the value of x, how to do it? Question that minus 8 by 9 power 15 divided by minus 8 by 9 power x is equal to minus 8 by 9 power 2. Find the value of x here. This one value we want to find out. Firstly, see this one. All the base are the same but power are different. There is two method, minus 8 by 9. It is in division of it. It means we have to find out the quotient. Or in quotient, we take the subtraction of the denominator. This we can write down like this. Minus 8 by 9 power 15 divided by minus 8 by 9 power x. It means when you take upside, when you find the quotient of it, then you will get minus 8 by 9 power 15 minus x is equal to minus 8 by 9 power 2. See, in this type of question, how to find out the value of x? In this side is called LHS, left hand side, and this side is called right hand side. In the left hand side, in both sides, if the base is same, then we can compare the power. It means this power 15 minus x is equal to this power because base is same here. Now solve it. 15. This 2 we take here, then minus x, when you change the side it becomes plus x. Then your answer becomes 13. Then our answer is 13 is equal to x. I mean x value is equal to 13. Obviously, if we take here 13, then 15 minus 13 is equal to 2. We will get this result. So if base is same, then we can compare the power. Or if power is same, we can compare the both sides. We can compare the base. See another example. (27) power 2x minus 1 is equal to 243 power 3. Here find the value of x. How to solve this question? See, firstly take the prime factor of it. 27. 27 prime factor is, we know, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, then this, it means 3 power 3. So we write down here 27 is 3 power 3, whole power is 2x minus 1 is equal to 243. (27) 3 9s are 27. It means 1 2 3 4 5. 3 power 5 power 3. See here, 3 power to power, we do multiply, is equal to 3 power 5 3 is 15. Base is same both sides, then we can compare the powers. Do 3 into 2x minus 1 is equal to, if you know the rules how to solve the algebraic expression or equation, 3 is in multiply of it. It means when you change the side of it, then it will come in division in this side. or you can say when you want to equal both sides, here if you want to remove 3, what we have to do? Multiply by 3. One process is this. Second process we can in easy way, if I want to remove in this side 3, so whichever operation we perform both sides. So it means if here I do divide by 3, then here also I do divide by 3. Then 3 to 3 cancel, then it becomes 2x minus 1, or it becomes 15 by 3. 15 by 3 is equal to 5. Now solve it. 2x minus 1 is equal to 5. Now see, one method here is minus 1. If you want to change the side, then it here comes plus 1. सेकेंड मेथड इजी मेथड 2x माइनस 1. अगर हम यहाँ माइनस 1 को रिमूव करना चाहते हैं, इट मीन्स वी हैव टू ऐड प्लस 1. तो वी हैव टू ऐड प्लस 1 बोथ साइड. सो वी कैन डू लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. 2x माइनस 1 प्लस 1, 5 प्लस 1. तो ये तो यहाँ कैंसिल हो गया. दैट इज 2x इज इक्वल टू 6. देन x इज इक्वल टू, अगेन अगर हम यहाँ 2 रिमूव करना चाहते हैं तो 2x को हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? 2 से डिवाइड. यहाँ 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो यहाँ भी 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. देन आवर x वैल्यू बिकम्स 3. इट मीन्स इन दिस क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x? x इज इक्वल टू 3. वेरीफाई इट, चेक इट. वेरिफिकेशन इफ वी वांट टू डू 27 2 into 3 minus 1. 27 2 3 is 6 minus 1. 27 power 5. This is 3 power 3 power 5. That is 3 power 15. This is the solution of it. It means we can, after finding the value of x, we can verify from our question also. When you put the value of x in LHS side, you are getting the exactly RHS side. It means your answer is right. Otherwise it is wrong. So check it also whenever you are practicing these type of questions. Then check also that your answer is correct or not. Okay student. Now your fifth B exercise totally based on the 5 laws of exponent. So complete it properly in your fair notebook with examples also solve in your fair notebook. Yes, thank you student.